My main destinations, guys. We got Mother Teresa over on this side. Beautiful Tirana. Very beautiful church, guys. Beautiful. You already know his story, how he was crucified upside down. Saint Paul's Cathedral, guys. This is the biggest church, so to speak, in all of Albania. It's one of the main highlights for me. Just came out of confessional. Gonna take you guys to a couple other little spots so you guys check it out. First day in Albania. Stay tuned. And I'm not just here as a tourist, guys. I'm here to actually confess. So it's been a while. It's very hard to confess in Spain, believe it or not, especially where I live, because I live up on a mountain and there's like one priest for like 20 little pueblos. So I've had a hard time confessing. So I'm not walking in grace. I'm not in a state of grace. So beautiful, look at that. Let's go get some ice cream, yo. Hot.
Hai preso? È sbattuto.
Makes me miss my dogs right there. Oh yes, they are. Cachacabras. Sorry, I just saw your comment. They are, yes, very friendly. You just saw there. They actually waved. Very friendly. And everyone's thick, like they eat well. Polar opposite of Thailand. Really beautiful greenery. And there it is, the grub. Outside one of my favorite spots to grub here in Tirane. And this is what I ordered right here. Check out the menu. This is in the Blloku area, which, if you guys know the history behind it, it used to be restricted for the elites, and the government has since opened it up. This place is lively, so stay tuned for the live. Non-stop. I'm gonna go live from my Airbnb. It's a flat right on the main road. A zero sheker. Sugar. I'm recording till my plate comes.